Good morning, and I am in front of the Gyeongju Hanok First Hotel, rented from Expedia or Hotels.com. And this is actually my last day. I'm actually taking off right now. I'm in front of my car as well. But I don't think I did an intro to the place, so I figured I'd do a quick little intro. I'm standing here by myself. There's literally no one else around. It has been a pleasant experience. It's kind of strange having to sleep on the floor again. I haven't done that since Japan, but the grounds are really great. When I came in, the whole check-in experience, it was weird. Like, I walked into, there's actually two main gates. The one that was right behind me right there, and then there's actually another one right over there. So you could see kind of how there's two, maybe. And I walked into the first main gate because that's where the nav took me to. And then there was an older lady who came out, asked me a question, greeted me, asked me a question, and I assumed she was asking if I was checking in, and I said yes, and then I said Expedia. And then there's actually a house in the middle that actually is where the owners of this place live. And she's like, wait, follow me. Like, she just didn't say anything, just kept leading me along. And so I walked over to get to that middle house, and that's when kind of a middle-aged lady came out and was like, oh, okay, are you Charlie? I said yes, and she led me to the room. I might actually be repeating this story because I really don't remember. And I think the next thing that we'll do here is we'll go ahead and go to my night of arrival and into the room tour. So let's get to it. So this is my room, and it's not the biggest of rooms, but I mean, it's a lot of floor space, and it's a traditional futon, Japanese futon style. And then here is the wet room bathroom. And nothing too special. Gets the job done. Checking into this place was like simple. Literally, I walked in. I ran into an older Korean lady. She's like, something, probably about check-in. And I just said, American Expedia. And then she's like, follow me. And she walks me over to another section of the Hanok. And I have to kind of be careful with how loud I'm talking because the walls are paper thin here. But she walks me over to another section of the hotel where a lady comes on and goes, are you Charlie? And I'm like, yep. And she's like, okay, here's your room. And she just walks me up to a room. It's really dark outside right now, so I'll get it in the morning. But she walks me up to her room, and I get she's like, this is your room. That's it. I get a key. There's a padlock. Actually, I think I have the padlock right here. This is how you lock the room. It's attached to my car keys right now. So I'm here for 2 nights, and then on to Daegu, I believe is the next place. So it is what it is. It's nice enough, and I could get my work done. I'm gonna sit down and start really chugging away at some work right now. Got some things that came up, and I want to just get them done. But yeah, that's the room in the hotel. I'll do a little intro that will lead us into this in the morning. So kind of backwards. Anyhow, see you in the next vid.